Get up closer. Get up closer. He's right there. He's right there.
Come on, sucker. Dang it.
Let him run. Let him run. Remember, if he jumps up, you got to bow down. Get up closer to the edge. Get up closer to the edge.
He's right there.
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
Hold on.
This monster's big.
Don't put your hand on the.
How many pounds does he weigh? Ah! Holy crap.
Go, man. You got your ass a tarpon, dog. Woohoo!
What the freak? Oh my god. I can't ran him up. Help me, Dad. Alright, I got him. Go.
No, he let go. Go, go. That's a snook. Oh, he broke it. Oh. Damn. Okay, let's tie up. So, how does it feel to catch a monster?
Pretty good. Oh my god.
That's a nice snook, man.